Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30-ish in the warehouse. It is 15 degrees outside, but in here, it's toasty warm. Matter of fact, up there in the ceiling, it's 500 degrees. These are our awesome infrared heaters, keep us toasty warm on days like this. But there is a problem. Up here, this heater, which runs the whole length of the assembly line, when it's radiating down its beautiful, beautiful heat, it can screw up the records. So last night I came up with this idea, and we put a bunch of them together, and these are just little heat shields that will reflect the heat from up there. As we all know, aluminum foil is heat reflective. So these will get put on top of the crates in the assembly room, and then keep all of the records safe when the heater is running, because it's 15 degrees outside. All right. All right. So Tina and Wei are wrapping these tabs with aluminum foil, and we're going to make about 50 of them. There. So here we go. Heat shield. Protected.